The long-awaited NEST application form was released by exam conducting authorities on April 3, 2024. This year, the NEST exam will be conducted for a total of 257 vacancies. Now quickly check how to fill the NEST application form. This year, the application process will be completely online and candidate must fill the form carefully. Otherwise, it may result in the cancellation of candidature. This video by shiksha.com brings the step-by-step procedure to fill the NEST 24 application form. The first step is to visit the official website of NEST 2024, which is www.nestexam.in. Now, applicants are advised to click on Online Registration tab, which will be shown on the screen. Read all the important instructions and guidelines for the submission of online application cum admission form carefully, and after that click on the tab Close. Now again a new window will appear. Then click on I agree on privacy notice to register yourself. Now it will open to a new page. Now applicants are advised to scroll down the page and enter the basic details, likewise name, date of birth, class 10th roll number, registration number, year of passing the same exam, gender, mobile number, email details. Mobile number and email again needs to be filled, reason being it requires a verification. After filling these details, applicants are advised to click on generate OTP. Now scroll down and fill the CAPTCHA. Again you have to click on I agree button. At last there will be a button where it is mentioned re-verify, so you have to click on re-verify details. Now once you will submit this page, you will receive a registration confirmation form NEST, and eventually you will receive application number as well as password on your mobile and email ID. So in a way we can say that this is the first part of your application form. Now candidate move on to the next application process, in which you have to fill personal details, qualification details, and then document upload, and at last you have to do the payment. Now in personal details, applicants are advised to fill the personal details, details of guardian, present address as well as permanent address. Once you will fill all these details, so eventually it will lead to the next process. While filling the personal details, candidate must be careful that whatever the date of birth they have and the gender as well as the name of their father, mother, spouse as well as the category, all these details need to be filled carefully. Then it will be followed by the domicile of the candidate and the person with disability. Once all these details will be filled, candidate can move on to the next process, that is details of guardian. Once all these details will be filled, then at last the detail of present address as well as the permanent address needs to be filled. If both these details are same, then applicants can click on present address and permanent address is same. But if these details are not same, then students are advised to fill both these address carefully, because if any of these details will be found incorrect, then their candidature may be rejected. Now in qualification details, the applicants are advised to fill the name of board, council and the year of passing the exam and the percentage of marks. Students are supposed to fill these details for both 10th as well as 12th exam. Now moving on to the next step, that is document upload. Here applicants are advised to fill the center from where they want to appear for the exam. In this particular NEST application form, there will be 3 preference cities will be given, or applicants have to choose out of the all of the given options. Here earlier it used to be 5, but now the authorities have changed the details. So this year there will be only 3 choices where applicants are supposed to fill the form. Then at last it will be followed by the document upload. Here applicants are supposed to be very careful, because the size of the document should not exceed 200 KB for both photograph as well as signature. If it exceeds more than of 200 KB, then the chances of rejection or not selecting their candidature is high. In that case, applicants are supposed to fill the details or or upload the application form or upload the document, all these details very carefully. So after uploading, candidate must click on view button. It will eventually let to help you that how your photos or how your document are showing on the screen. At last, applicants are supposed to click on declaration button, the checkbox, and then enter the captcha. Once you will click on these details, it will redirect to a new page. There you have to make the payment. In payment, the applicant are whatever the category they belong to, they are supposed to pay the application fee for the same. After a successful transaction, you will receive the application confirmation on screen and through email as well. Download and print the application confirmation. This was all about Next 24 application process. Feel free to reach out to us for queries in the comment section below. All the best for your future endeavor for Next 2024 exam. Thank you.